Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Tuesday, March the 25th, 2014. I'm your host, Alan Barry Laboucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. What I do every morning is go through press releases, try to find the ones that stand out to me, and I talk about what it was about the news that stood out, and also give you some insights into what I see in their stock charts. The goal is to help you find investment winners and good companies to do your research on. So each day we try to make the show around 10 minutes. I've got 5 companies to talk about today, so we should have no problem with the time frame. The first company I wanted to talk about today is a company called Lexaria Corporation. Lexaria Corporation is a sponsor of AGORACOM. I wanted to let you know that before I get started. They announced that they've added their first medical marijuana expert to their advisory board. This is one of the companies that's the early movers into the medical marijuana business. And this Jason Springett, who they've added to their team, has extensive knowledge and experience in the medical marijuana sector, and they go into the various different things that he's done in the past, and you can find that on the company's website. Lexaria Corporation stock symbol on the Canadian Stock Exchange is LXX. Next company up is Roxgold. Roxgold announced that they've completed a $28.81 million financing for their to move their Yaramoko project in Burkina Faso, West Africa, forward. That's a pretty substantial investment by a syndicate of underwriters, including Cormark, Raymond James, RBC, Tollcross, GMP, Haywood, Macquarie Capital. So they had a good group in there that will get their issued close to 300 million shares out. The stock is up a penny today on 279,000 shares traded hands. Just looking at the stock chart, it's been doing a lot better since the December lows. Hit around 42 cents in December, rallied up to as much as 75 cents. Has given back some of those gains, but does look like it's at support. It's a pretty actively trading stock. Very interesting stock chart on this one. ROG is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Enterprise Group. Enterprise Group closed a $27.6 million bought deal financing. This also had a group of investors in there. Enterprise Group is a consolidator of construction services companies operating in the energy, utility, and transportation infrastructure industries. I've done some homework on this company before, and they seem to be, one of the companies that are more into the service end of things, but that's a pretty significant bought deal financing. So I have a sneaky suspicion that they have some big plans for the money that they raised, and keep an eye on that one. The stock is down 3.5 cents today to 96 cents on 1.9 million shares traded hands. This one's been in a very stellar bull move since back in April. So in the last year, it's seen its stock go from 40 cents all the way up to $1.19. Recently has given back some of those gains, but seems to be at a support level. Very active trader. Very interesting chart on this one. I think it's got some more upside, and I could see myself talking about that stock on the end of the week show, the best of the best in weekly news. I do like what I see with that stock. The next company up is Argonaut Gold. Argonaut Gold earned $10.1 million US in 2013, net income of $26.8 million. Cash and cash equivalents were $81.1 million. They carried out the capital expansion programs at El Castillo and La Colorada. The production increased to over 120,000 gold equivalent ounces, which is a 9% improvement over 2013. And yeah, they've got a lot of good details in that press release. You can find that on the company's website. I'm just looking at the stock now. It's up 7 cents today to $5.09 on 425,000 shares traded. The stock's been under pressure since I want to go back to about August, and it's now hitting down to heading towards the yearly lows. So it'll be interesting to see if this one can hold those lows and rally off of those lows. It remains to be seen, but we'll keep a close eye on that stock. AR is the symbol on the Toronto Exchange. And the final company today is Integra Gold. Integra Gold intersected 23.02 grams per ton gold over 5 meters and 31.24 grams per ton gold over 3 meters at the Triangle Zone, and confirmed structural continuity with South Triangle discovery, and they mobilized their 6th and 7th drill rig. This project is in Val-d'Or, Quebec. They've been getting some great drill results off of this. You can see it in their press release. Intersection after intersection of very high-grade gold. Now I'll try to want to see what those look like in cross sections and how significant it's getting. But they've been consistently able to get success with that drill rig. ICG is their stock symbol. They trade on, or they're up 2.5 cents today to 32.5 cents on 1.025 million. The stock has been on a pretty good run since the January lows. Been getting some great drill results from that project in Val-d'Or. The company trades a lot. Very active trader since they started hitting good drill holes. I've been covering it on the show, and I like what I see there. ICG is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. So that's a wrap on the news for today. As always, it's important for you to do your own homework and speak with your financial advisors before making any investment decisions. We do the Monday through Thursday, we do the news show, and where I pick out companies that are making news on a daily basis, talk about what I liked about their news and stuff. And then at the end of the week, we do the best of the best in weekly news, where we talk about George Cholis and I, the founder of AGORACOM. We go over various different picks of mine and talk about what it is about the picks that on the news side and on the stock chart side that stand out to me. You can find all of our shows at agoracom.com, also at blog.agoracom.com, and at alanberryreports.com. On that note, you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.